Hey guys, what's up? It's me again, Tom from TTT Tom's Tech Time. Welcome to this short episode. Recently, a question reached me asking me, hey Tom, where is your Anafi test? Well, I would love to say here it is, now watch the video, but unfortunately that is not how it is because my videos are produced a bit more heavily. I don't just fly the drone once and then, I don't know, talk about it, review it, but I really fly it often 30, 40, 50 times, whatever it takes. And then I find out all the weak spots and the pros of a drone. But unfortunately with the Parrot Anafi I'm having a total different problem. It is broken. I can briefly turn it on and then we can see ourselves that the camera down there doesn't do its job. It moves, but it only, I don't know, puts the camera to a very weird bottom angle. And even if I move the drone now, you can see nothing's happening. Oh, except sometimes it recalibrates to that awkward angle. I can even move it. It's like it's dead, which is really sad. And yeah, what shall I say? At the moment I cannot keep on reviewing and comparing the new Parrot Anafi drone. I have talked to the customer service and what they told me was just please try to reset the drone. I've done that like, I don't know, 10 times probably. It doesn't do anything. I have tried to take an in-depth look at the app. I couldn't fix anything. It is a bit sad, but yeah, what shall I say? Now I have a 2 years guarantee, means that I'll ship it back to Parrot and then wait for a new model, and then you guys can finally see my review and comparison. Well, yeah, just wanted to answer that brief question. If you guys have more questions, you can always feel free to ask them on Facebook. For example, facebook.com/TomsTechTime, or just join my group on Facebook, facebook.com/groups/TomsTechTime. And then you can talk to other pilots, you can ask me questions, and well, yeah, then we can figure things out. And I just really hope that a new Parrot Anafi is gonna arrive as soon as possible, because this is quite frustrating. But nevertheless, don't forget to leave a thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe to never ever miss any of my upcoming real bigger episodes again. Stay tuned and fly safe. Or don't fly at all if your drone is broken like mine.